Now we are getting the same equation. We got the final equation here. This equation we are doing, this KBT is we are writing as a denominator of EV plus EA by KBT. Here we are separating, and KBT for this term is also separating. This KBT I am substituting, I am separately writing to EV. So this KBT separately writing to EV plus EA by 2. For this one separately I am writing this KBT, and the KBT is also separately writing to this term, and this KBT is also writing separately to this term. That we have done the next step. So P, if you write P same, 2 same, 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2, both are same only. E power is also same, E power is also same. This minus I am sending inside a bracket. Minus into EV plus EA by 2. So minus into EV plus EA by 2 KBT. By which this KBT we have written here. So that's why we got 2 KBT. Minus into minus plus. That is why we are getting here plus. Here 1 by 2 KBT is there. Okay. But here 2 we are separately writing the total term, we are separately writing to KBT. This KBT comes 2 KBT here. That's why I get 2 KBT. This KBT as it is I am writing here. So next log flower bracket n suffix a, 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. All is same. Just separately I am writing this one here as 2, and this minus inside biggie. Next remaining is here we can see plus EV by EV is there, plus EV is there. So plus EV by KBT. This KBT comes here. So this KBT is separated to every term of the exponential. Now we can see P as it is P only. 2 pi MP star KBT whole power 3 by 2. 2 pi MP star KBT, 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. Same as it is we have done. This exponential we are writing like this. Like this we are writing. E to the power of x plus y plus z is equal to e to the power of x into e to the power of y into e to the power of z. Like this we are writing. According to that formula, e to the power of x means EY plus EA by KBT. So e to the power of EV minus of this minus as it is EV plus EA by KBT. Next, e to the power of 1 by 2 KBT 2 KBT. Here we can see, remember that this KBT gets cancelled. So when you are going to get cancelled this KBT, only 1 by 2 remains, e power of 1 by 2 log within that bracket NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. So log of NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. Next, y means this y is what known as z. This z, e power of z means EV by KBT. So e power of EV by KBT. Like this we got. Now if you go to next step, here this minus sending inside. This minus we are sending inside. This is also e power, this is also e power. This is also e power, this is also e power. So bases are same. That's why the power should be added. So I am writing here e power of minus EV by 2 KBT. Sorry, EV if minus if you send inside, minus into EV minus EV, minus into plus minus EA by 2 KBT by 2 KBT. This e power of EV by 2 KBT is written as, in this power only, single power, EV by 2 KBT. So EV by KBT. So EV by KBT is written here as a single power. Means bases are same, that's why powers are added. Here we can see. Next, e power of this term, e power of 1 by 2 log, e power of 1 by 2 log, NA by 2 into pi mp star kbt by square, 2 pi mp star kbt by square, whole power 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2. Here, what we have done, this 1 by 2 is this 1 by 2 is written as a here log of whole power. So log of whole power as that means this 1 by 2. This is we are getting that n into log x is equal to log x to the power of n formula. According to this formula, n into log x. So log x to the power of n we written. This is not there. I forgot to tell you this one. It's already written. It is not there. Now come to see here. Now, so next value p to p, 2 to 2, 2 mp star kbt by x square whole power 3 by 2, 2 mp star kbt by x square whole power 3 by 2, e power of. If you take LCM, no, don't take LCM. Next step we will take LCM. EV minus EA by 2 kbt, EV minus EA by 2 kbt. This plus EV by kbt, log of e power of, next e power of log NEA by 2 into 2 pi mp star kbt by h square, whole power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. Here 2 pi mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi mp star kbt by whole power 3 by 2. That's all. Same as it is, the same step is repeated here. Now we are writing here, see that pp 2 pi mp star kbt by h square, 2 pi mp star kbt by h square, whole power 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2, e power of, see LCM is taken from these two. So EV minus EA. So here 2 is near there. So this is multiplied with 2. So 2 EV. Then LCM is 2 kbt. We got e power of log, as it is the same value is written here. E power of log NEA by 2 pi mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, whole power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. That's all. Same as it is. But now we are taking one other formula. We are taking another formula. So P is equals to, we got this value now from this value. But we know that e to the power of log x is equal to x. According to that formula, e power of log x, this is totally, if you think it is x, you can write x. So we can write here this value only I am writing here. E to the power of log x, power x is equal to, e to the power of log x is equal to x. We are writing e to the power of log NA by 2 into 2 mp star kbt by h square, 2 into 2 mp star kbt by h square, whole power 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. So if it is like this, then what happens? X, this x has this, in this x place it is there, so it is equal to, hence this, in this term, in this equation, I am writing this value according to this formula. According to this formula, this value, here it I have written, that value equals to this one. So like that I have written. That is why PP 2 to 3 mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, 2 mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, e power of EV. Now we can see this minus EV plus 2 EV, we can get plus EV minus EA by 2 kbt we are getting. So in minus 2 plus 2 EV minus EV is going to become plus EV minus EA by 2 kbt. This value already I said, e to the power of log x is equal to x according to that formula. This is going to become x as it is I have done. NA by 2 into T star kBt by h square, 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. The whole power is again this whole power is 1 by 2 1 by 2. Next, if you observe this one carefully, so from here to here pp 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 to mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt as it is. Now this whole power separately we are writing Na power 1 by 2. So Na power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 mp star kBt by h square, 2 mp star kBt by h square. This whole power is what? 3 by 2, whole power is 3 by 2. That whole power separately I am writing to here. Now if I write carefully, what's happening? P 2 pi mp star kBt by h square 3 by 2, 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. This is e power ev minus ea by 2 kBt, e power ev minus ea by 2 kBt, n power 1 by 2, n power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, what? 1 by 2, 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 it happens. Next, from this what I am doing is, from this I am doing pp 2 this 2 power 1 by 2 I am writing here. This numerator value, this denominator value I am bringing as a numerator. Then power 1 by 2 is going to become minus 1 by 2 here. This 2 power 1 by 2 is going to become 2 power minus 1 by 2. So 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 as this I am writing. Now what I am doing is this 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 is denominator. This you are bringing as a numerator. So if you bring it up, what happens? 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power minus 3 by 2. If it goes up, what happens? If we are going to write as a numerator, then it is minus 3 by 4 happens, minus 3 by 4. So this is already written. This value I am writing like this: 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Why? Because this I am writing as a numerator. This is in denominator. I am writing as a numerator in the next step. So next value, the same value, e power ev minus ev minus ea by 2 kBt. So next I am writing here e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt. This n power a by n suffix a power 1 by 2, n suffix a power 1 by 2 as this I have written. Now what we are doing is 2 into 2 power minus 1 by 2. So 2 power 1 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 is set. 2 power nothing means what? 1. 1 minus this 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. This Na power 1 by 2 I am writing starting only. 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power minus 3 by 2. So bases are same. That's why I am writing only 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 I am writing. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, the same value I am writing here. Now if I simplify it further, pp 2 power 1 minus 1 by 2 value is 2 power 1 by 2, na power 1 by 2, 2 pi mp star kBt by h square 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 value is 3 by 4, that's all. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, e power of ev minus 2 ev minus ea by 2 kBt. Now we can write final equation. P is equal to pp 2. It is having its 2 power is also 1 by 2, na power is also 1 by 2. So n suffix a value power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2. So 2 values I am writing within the one bracket. So 2n whole power of 1 by 2, like that I am writing. 2 pi mp star kBt by 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 I am writing. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, the same value we are getting. This is the density of holes in p-type semiconductor. Last final equation we have to write in examination.